Looking for the best dash cam to protect your car, capture every moment on the road, and potentially save you thousands in insurance claims? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams that combine crystal clear video quality, advanced safety features, and unbeatable value for both USA and international drivers. Whether you're a daily commuter, rideshare driver, or road trip enthusiast, choosing the right dash cam can completely change how you feel behind the wheel. And here's the important part. All product links are in the description box below, so if you see something you like, you can instantly check the latest price and full details with just one click. Stick with me till the end, because the #1 dash cam might surprise you with features you'd expect only in premium models. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo, a powerful dual-channel dashcam that delivers excellent front and rear coverage without breaking the bank. This camera records in crisp 2K Quad HD resolution at the front and Full HD at the rear, ensuring you capture important details like license plates and road signs, even at high speeds. One standout feature is its Sony Starvis sensor, which dramatically improves low light and night recording, making it ideal for nighttime driving. The built-in GPS logger tracks your speed and route, which can be incredibly useful in case of disputes or insurance claims. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily connect your smartphone to view, download, or share footage instantly without removing the memory card. The parking mode adds another layer of protection by recording incidents even when your car is parked. Its compact design ensures it stays discreet and doesn't obstruct your view. Overall, it's a reliable, feature-packed option for drivers who want solid performance and dual-camera security. For more details and the latest price, check the link in the description box below. At number 4, we step things up with the FAIMEE 3-channel dashcam designed for drivers who want complete 360-degree awareness. This system records front, rear, and cabin footage simultaneously, making it perfect for rideshare drivers like Uber or Lyft, or anyone who wants full interior monitoring. The front camera records in stunning 4K resolution, delivering sharp and highly detailed footage, while the rear and cabin cameras ensure nothing goes unnoticed. Night vision capability enhances low-light performance, especially inside the car, where infrared sensors capture clear footage even in complete darkness. Built-in GPS tracking logs your route and speed, while loop recording ensures continuous recording without worrying about storage limits. The G sensor automatically locks important footage during sudden impacts, preventing it from being overwritten. Installation is straightforward, and the interface is user-friendly, even for beginners. If safety, evidence collection, and full coverage are your top priorities, this dashcam is a strong contender. Want to learn more or grab the latest deal? The link is waiting for you in the description box below. Coming in at number 3, the REDTIGER F7NP offers premium-level performance with true 4K front recording and Full HD rear coverage. This dashcam is all about clarity and reliability, ensuring you never miss critical details on the road. The ultra-wide-angle lenses reduce blind spots, capturing more of your surroundings in both directions. One of its strongest features is superior night vision, powered by advanced sensors and wide aperture technology, delivering bright and clear footage even in challenging lighting conditions. Built-in GPS provides accurate tracking data, and Wi-Fi connectivity allows quick access to recordings via your smartphone. The 24-hour parking mode keeps your vehicle protected even when you're away, offering peace of mind in busy parking areas. Its durable build quality and sleek design make it a long-lasting investment for serious drivers. Whether you're commuting daily or going on long road trips, this dashcam ensures you have dependable video evidence whenever you need it. To explore more features and check current pricing, head to the description box and click the link below. At number 2, we have the TERUNSOUL Dual 4K Dashcam, a high-performance option that delivers incredible video quality on both front and rear cameras. Unlike many competitors, this model pushes the limits by offering ultra-clear dual 4K recording, making it easier to capture even the smallest details like license plates at a distance. Equipped with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, it allows seamless tracking and easy file transfer directly to your phone.
The wide-angle lenses provide excellent road coverage, minimizing blind spots and enhancing overall safety. Its advanced night vision ensures clear footage in low light conditions, while the G sensor automatically locks crucial recordings during collisions.
The parking mode feature adds an extra layer of protection, monitoring your vehicle even when it's turned off. Designed with durability and ease of use in mind, this dashcam is perfect for drivers who demand top-tier clarity and smart functionality. If you want near-flagship performance without paying a premium brand price, this is a fantastic pick. Check the description box below for more details and the latest price. And finally, taking the #1 spot, the ROVE R2 4K Dual Dashcam stands out as the ultimate combination of performance, features, and value. This dashcam delivers stunning 4K recording on the front camera, along with high-quality rear footage, ensuring full protection on the road. What truly sets it apart is its exceptional night vision, powered by advanced image sensors, capturing sharp and detailed footage even in low-light environments. Built-in Wi-Fi with a dedicated app makes it incredibly easy to manage videos, while GPS tracking adds valuable driving data to your recordings. The parking mode offers continuous monitoring, keeping your vehicle even when you're not around. Its user-friendly interface and durable build make it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Whether you're protecting yourself from accidents, fraud, or unexpected events, this dashcam delivers peace of mind every time you drive. If you're looking for the best overall dashcam in this category, this is it. For full specs, reviews, and the best deal available, check the link in the description box below. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the best buy, and I'll see you in the next one, where we help you buy smart and live better.